Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into some Java GUI action. So we're gonna be using the Java AWT or Abstract Window Toolkit. And what I'm showing now is just a simple Java GUI code. And here's what it looks like when it is finished. So it's just simple. So I've chosen user management module nga akong sundugon. So, makita nato diri sa likod, mo niya tong code. So, import lang ang Java AWT and demo og class named user management AWT. So, natin method diri say user management AWT. So, nag-set kog title and ang size. So, it will be 1,000 pixels width and 470 ang height. And naging mo kog panel named top panel and giseta na ko siya layout. And diri nga block is naghimo kog label. It will be a title label. So, mo ni siya diri guys. Diri kani, no? And sa title label, nag-set kog font will be Arial and it is bold and it will be 18 pixels. Diri nag-set kog color sa text, it will be black. And gi-add nako. So it will be on the west. It will be located in the west now. So under here, we have a panel. It is called right panel. And nag-set ko layout niya. So it is using flow layout. It will be right. And there is a text field. I'll name it search users. And I set a size on the text field in the search field. So it will be 200 pixels width and 30 pixels height. I created a button named add user button and I set a color. So I think it's orange, medyo orangey siya din. And the text will be white and the font will be bold. And added the search field and the button to the right panel. Now on the top panel, so I added the right panel and I set it on the east side. So diri siya banda. So if you look here, so nara siya. Nara the add user. So it is on the east side with the search bar. Now on the table header. So nag-declare ko diri panel, header panel, and will be with layout. So naghimo kog kuan, a string of headers. So natay name, email, role, and actions. And diri sa block nga code, nagloop ko sa each headers. No, nagloop ko diri and giset na ko siya into here, giset na akong label, center, and ang iyang background, ang color sa text, and ang font niya. And lastly, gi-add na ko sa header panel. Now, on the table panel, nag-set ko new panel and the grid layout will be 10 rows, 4 columns, and 1. This is a vertical and horizontal. So, 1 lang yung gap ang vertical ug horizontal. And riyan ako'y two-day array of string, no? So, it contains the, let's say, kuan lang siya kanang murag mga hard-coded lang nga mga users kibali sa table, no? And diri nag-loop ko. So, oops, no? So, for each row, diri sa data, yung name will be centered. So, it will be centered din diri sa data. Centered siya tanan para nindot siya. The email, the role, and also the action panel. Kani. This is the action panel. So, naghimo kog action panel and we'll be using flow layout. Sa flow layout, ako siyang gi-center. And naghimo kog button, the edit button, and the delete button. Giset na ko yung background og blue og ang iyang text to white. The same here sa delete nga button. And lastly, added na ko siya sa action panel. And ang action panel will be added to the table panel. So, muna siya na. And after that, i-add na nato siya tanan sa frame. So, added na ang top panel will be on the north side. The header panel will be on the center. And lastly, the table panel will be on the south. So, nasa sa baba. And, syempre, dapat i-set na to siya visible para makita na to ang frame or ang kaning gipang-add na to diri. And, i-call na to atong method diri sa main method. So, that's it lang. As we look here, it's very simple lang. Thank you for listening, guys. See you next time.